Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim April 25th, 2015 as Earth Day, Arbor Day in Fairfax County.
Today is SpringFest Fairfax 2015, which is the Earth Day and Arbor Day event for Fairfax County. Anything you could possibly do outside in Fairfax County is somehow represented here at SpringFest. The health department has a great setup where they talk about mosquitoes and how important it is to keep your ponds clean. We have two different plant sales, one a native plant sale and one vegetables and flowers and peppers. This year we also have this terrific food court, and they're serving all kinds of different foods, and we're trying to promote local food. We also have far more exhibitors than we've had in the past. We have goats, 2 sets of goats on site today, as well as the animal shelter and the park authority.
We are so proud to be here. We have been part of SpringFest since SpringFest began, and we at Fairfax County Park Authority celebrate Earth Day every day. We are here today with the representatives from our nature centers, our historic sites, Frying Pan Farm Park, as well as our recreation centers and golf, so where you can come out to play and explore. The stewardship of Fairfax County's wonderful natural and cultural resources is what we're all about, and want to engage people in that.
Well, we have some great partners doing SpringFest. Clean Fairfax takes the lead, but we could never do it without the Workhouse. They provide both the space and some logistical help, and the Park Authority, which also provides logistical help. Their staff love this event. Fairfax Water, that provides this wonderful water bar so that we can encourage people to drink right from the tap. And the Department of Public Works also is a huge help with the event.
This is a wonderful day for us to pause, have a really good time, and and to make sure that we're focusing on taking care of our environment. We do a good job in Fairfax County of taking care of our air, our water, and this is an opportunity for us to share those things and also to engage the community, and especially the younger members of the community, in learning about nature and learning about how to take care of nature.
I think one of the things that scares people when you challenge them to be more sustainable is they think it's going to be painful, or it's going to be expensive, or they're not going to be able to afford to be sustainable. And I think events like this really show that you can do small things by just swapping out your grocery bag for one that's reusable, or putting your tap water in a glass or in a reusable bottle. That all of these things are really quite easy to do.